Alright, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the video, alright, and the series. Okay, now this was the logo mockup we did. You can do this with phone. We did this logo with Pixellab and all of that. We've done the mockup here. You can do this with phone as well. Go to this website and follow the step-by-step tutorial, step-by-step guide I've given to you. If you haven't watched that particular video, you may need to check the description of the video, or at the end of the video I'll make sure this hovers around so you can click it and watch. Okay, but for today what I'm going to share with you is how you can also create logo mockups with AI. It's very simple to do, and just some basic prompts you can as well do that. So what we're going to do right now is that mockup. This kind of mockup maybe something different, but we're going to try to use AI. So there are lots of different AI platforms you can explore for that. So I'm going to just show you this one. I think we should use either Google Gemini, or we can use ChatGTP for ChatGTP for this. Okay, if you're not subscribed to the channel, please do not forget to subscribe to the channel. So now we are back here to ChatGTP, and let's get to do new chats. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'll just click my plus sign. Please, I hope I've told you to subscribe. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe, share the video, like, comment, whatever maybe tutorial you want me to do, or how you feel about the tutorial, what you think I should maybe improve on or add, or just comment, just say something, right? Alright, so I'll just click this plus sign, and then I'm going to attach the design we've done initially. Okay, so I'll just come to this place. This is the design we did with Pixellab. So now the prompts can be something like the attached image is a logo design I created for Akumolex I care, right? So what I'm going to now say is create a 3D logo mockup of the attached logo on a glassy slantly placed wall. Okay, on a glassy slant wall. Make the logo bold and 100% identical with the one attached. Let's just use this and say, alright, so you can, one of the important thing about it's analyzing the image, one of the important thing about this is you can, okay, it's telling me I've reached my limit or whatever. So one of the important thing here is you can always tweak the prompt. I've been creating images and sketches, so that's why I just showed me that limit. Okay, you can tell it to do this. There are other platforms you can use as well. If you have not gotten my AI course, I'm going to try to leave that in the description of the video. Make sure you go to my store and get that course. A lot of other tutorials on how you can maximize AI is there in that video. So it's creating, polishing. Let's see what's going to come up with. So you can use AI simply, instead of maybe if your phone is not strong enough to go to photop.com, you can just go to AI and just say what you want. All right, prompting is just the major keywords. Most of the things that the major keywords are just the basic things. Okay, let's see. Okay, it gave me 2. All right, so let's see image 1 and image 2. That's beautiful. So let's see what it's going to come up with. And hola. Let's see. Alright, you can see, okay, this is image 1. You can see what we have here. Wow, this is awesome, right? This is good. It kind of like uses the same color we use, so we could have told it to maybe use a uniform color, I think, but this is not bad. Okay, so this is 1, this is 2. Wow, well, I think I prefer this, and that's because of the shiny edges of this. I kind of like that light effect. It's I think I like this, so I'll just have to download this, download 2 images in this series. So I've gotten 3 of them now. Alright, so now this is what we have. So now you can do your mockup with this. After you've created with Pixellab, you can do your mockup with your ChatGTP or whatever. Alright, so okay, please, if you've not gotten that course I told you about, you can do it to get it. We're going to have another series about AI tools we're going to be using and all of that. So, but if you want in-depth and practical guide, like step by step, multiple videos, you should get that course. Alright, thank you for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, share the video to all the people. Thank you very much, and do have a good time. See you in the next video.